Hi, and welcome to the Boston Leader Catalyst system. Here is how to use your tools page. First, as you look at the page, you've got the layout standard across all the pages at the top. You can ask your AI assistant anything you want, or where you got this video, the how-to. There's two major tabs on this page. You have the individual focused and the program manager focused tabs. The program manager is coming in the near future. We're working on that organizational oversight pieces. So right now we're focused more on how to do your individual tools and how to use them. So first up is your 360 assessment. You can start off with a basic Q&A. It's sort of a FAQ, frequently asked questions page about what 360 feedback systems are, solutions are, and how they work, some good guidance and tips on how to ask questions. Then to start creating your form. First, you can just click on this, and that's going to take you to the page where you create your form. Second is request feedback. Once you have completed creating your 360 feedback form, then you can click on this link to start getting feedback using that form. And here you can click on the link. We'll go more on that page, and that page is how to. Third, after you have done that and you've started requesting your responses and allowed enough time for feedback, then you can go and view your responses. Here will be a list of responses you've received based on your 360 feedback forms. Then, last but not least, under the 360 feedback, you can get coaching on your responses. If you click on that, it's going to automatically load your AI agent and give you the option to ask them more questions or specific ideas about it. Then you go down to virtual coaching. If you are interested in our virtual coaching, there's portions of it for free. You get 10 questions a month right now for free. And same thing, you can click on virtual coaching and get answers into the frequently asked questions on what it is. Or you can select a coach. If you don't like your current coach, you can pick any one of the ones we have available. Currently, there's 3. We're developing more and training more AI assistant coaches. Or you can go and just start asking your coach a question. That takes you to the same page we were just on, but it gives you a different approach. So instead of it feeding your 360 feedback, there you'll be able to just ask specific questions. And then down here, we see a list of more features that are coming in training, more assistants that we're currently working on. And that's it. That's the individual tools page. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask your AI assistant any questions you have, or you can contact us under my account. Thanks.